What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Artie. Crazy period of time right now. First and foremost, I want to touch upon what's going on in the world, and I hope all of you guys are safe. But being at home with the whole stay home policy, I was rearranging the garage and I found some Porsche parts that I actually purchased close to 2 years ago for the Porsche Cayman GT4. So we're actually gonna unbox this and I'm gonna install it a little bit later on in the day because we have rain coming right now. I have to move 2 other cars and it's really hard to get into between these 2 cars right here. But let's get into what we have in this box. Alright guys, so we're gonna open up the box and then I'm gonna show you guys what the original part looks like and what this looks like, and I'm gonna go over the price that I actually paid, but I bought it directly at a Porsche dealer and that was like 2 years ago. I'm pretty sure you could buy these on Amazon. I actually did search up yesterday and I was a fool, I guess, at that point of time buying this for this amount of money. But let's look at what we got over here. First off, I was actually deceived. Well, I wasn't deceived. I'm quick to buy things. I'm that type of a shopper. So I bought a Porsche gas cap. This is what it looks like. Pretty good quality. Obviously it's a Porsche product made in Germany. As you guys can see the backside, it is exactly what, it's a universal cap, so it is exactly what your Porsche looks like, but finished with aluminum plastic. When I say I was fooled, I don't know why, thinking paying only, how much did I pay for this? I'll tell you guys. To be exact, I don't want to lie. So Beverly Hills Porsche, I paid with taxes included $202.29. So that's because we have crazy sales tax. But I thought it was aluminum. I don't know why I thought it was aluminum. I don't think you can get an aluminum gas cap for that much money. But this is what you get inside of the car. So you get the paperwork for the instructions, and you get, let me put this down for 1 second. So you get this right here, and what this is, I'll take one out. It is actually so the gas cap goes onto this bracket and this connects to the inside of the car so that when you open up the latch, you can cut it and get your fuel. And there's universal, like I said, it's a universal product, so they give you 3 different ones. I'm assuming it goes by the car, by the make, so that's just a part number. And I'm gonna install that a little bit later on in the day, but I'm gonna give you guys a little before and after montage of what it actually looks like now and what it's going to look like after. Alright guys, so the gas cap is on the Porsche. This is the old gas cap. I actually did not even record the process of installing it because there is no process of installing it. It's super easy. I think $200 is a little bit much for that gas cap, but you know, I guess us car lovers can go crazy a little bit. You can pick that up cheaper, much cheaper. Like I said, check out Amazon, a lot of other auto parts distributors that sell gas caps. Check it out. I won't put a link in the description of where I bought it because I bought it directly at Beverly Hills Porsche. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. I think it was a nice clean modification. Comment below what you guys think. Most importantly, stay safe, stay home, and be good. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.